Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's April 9th, day 9 of Vlog Every Day in April. I'm Steve, and today I have a quick how-to video. This wasn't my planned video for today, but yesterday I posted my unboxing for my iPad Air, and then there was something I noticed on it that kind of annoyed me, and I learned how to fix it, and I figured I would tell you how to do it. So this wasn't what I was planning on recording today, but I'll get into it. On the iPad Air and the new iPad Pros, when you use a mouse or the trackpad, the icon on the screen is a little circle. And then when you scroll over an app, the circle kind of disappears and you see the app that you're highlighted kind of shake and expand a little bit. I didn't like that. I like, how when you use a regular laptop or desktop with the arrow is just, it's in front of whatever you're clicking on. So I was hoping there was a way to do that. So I have my iPad Air right here, and I'm going to do it for you right now. So let me turn it on, and this is how you do it. First off, just look, you can see clearly the cursor, and when I go to my text messages, it disappears and that icon gets a little bit bigger. Move it around, and you can't really see it anymore. So what you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down until you see accessibility. Scroll down again until you see pointer controls right here. And all you have to do is turn off pointer animations. Now when you go back, scroll over and you can see the pointer is now still visible and it doesn't disappear in the background. And that is exactly how I wanted to do it. And that's really simple. A really quick 2 to 3 minute video to show you how to make that simple change. It's not a big deal. I know most people probably don't mind it, but for some reason it was kind of bothering me. I really like just being able to see the cursor. If that is something you've been trying to figure out, I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, like if there are any settings you want changed and you're not quite sure if you can change them on your iPad Air or your iPad Pros, leave the question down below in the comments. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.